Okay, now we're going to give you this in this hand, and then a whole bunch in that hand. And then you're going to kind of walk a little bit ahead of me, and then me and Honey are going to come. And then do you remember where we went last time? Down in that little stall at the end of the barn? We're going to go in there, and you're going to walk all the way to the back of that stall. Those things are called stalls. Ready? Off we go. Start walking. Good job. Move it, Kiwi. Yeah. Let's see if I can move her over for you a little bit. There. Oh, okay. Try that. These are so hard. These snaps. I thought you were playing. Did you get it in your? Oh, does it smell bad? Yeah. Honey. Oh. Yeah.
She's doing today. She likes that, doesn't she?
I see her teeth.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, huh, honey? Slow in your little area. This will be your area to group. How's that? Oh, honey. Make lots of work for us, don't you? Yeah. Good gracious.
Oh, nice. Look under here.
She's a little woolly shaggy. Sound like Dad if he doesn't shave? Dad gets like this. Yeah? Okay, you keep brushing there. That's your spot. Alright, you ready to go to the ring? Okay, now you're going to walk. She heard that, didn't she?
Good job, Harper.
Very good. What's that? I did. Oh, she did? She said, oh, we're in gear. We're listening. That's her listening ears. When they're off to the side, she's kind of not listening.
Good job.
Very nice. Now, can you pull the rein? In just a second, we're going to get all the way over here to Mom and Dad. Now, you see, good job. That's very good steering. Can we talk? Pull back and say wow. Good. Now, we didn't quite get all the way around it, did we? So we need to pull which rein takes us that way.
Good job.
Where are we going? Do we need to do something? Good job.
Done a good job with the steering.
Keep going. This one's fancy. This one's smart as a tack. Uh-oh. Oh, we're cutting you off. Look, I see how the mind works with this one. Good steering. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, we gotta walk a little faster, honey. Uh-oh, what we gotta do? We gotta pull a rein. Oh my goodness, it's almost back to us. Keep going. Look forward. Look forward. Look forward. Forward.
Good job, Harper.
Pull, pull. Oh, we almost had him. He's sneaky, isn't he? It did. Oh, it went over the pole. He was a smart, good pony. Uh-oh, I think we might get him right here. Cut him off. Pull that rein, the one you're right with. Good job.
Good job, Harper.
Oh, let's go.
Look at her sitting and riding.
We're going to cut him off. Here we go. Uh-oh. We're getting her cornered now, Harper. Pull the rein that you hold the paper with. Remember, you have 2 hands for steering, okay? So you may have to pull this rein and then sometimes pull the other rein. Look up straight. Pull the rein you right with. Right with. Good. What do we need to do to make her walk on? Good. Now the one you hold the paper with. Good.
Good job, Harper.
Paper holding. Good. Now let's add something. Halt! Okay, now we've already gone over these one time, haven't we? You ready to get up in big girl jumping position? Do you remember how we did that? Way up out of the saddle. Stand up a little bit in your stuff, like you're trying to stand up.
Put your legs up, Harper.
Just put your weight
There.
And then your hands right there. Ready? And now, right through.
Good job, Harper.
Big jump. Oh my goodness, big jump. Sit back down.
Woo! Good job.